Repeat sentence. For this task, you will hear a short sentence.
Walking, cycling, and mass transportation can reduce vehicular pollution.
Summarize written text. For this task, you need to write a summary of the text in one sentence. You have 10 minutes to write your summary. The word count at the bottom of the screen counts the number of words you write. Reorder paragraphs.
For this task, you need to restore the original order of the text by selecting text boxes and dragging them across the screen. Multiple choice. Choose single answer. For this task, you need to listen to the recording and answer the multiple choice question.